HP OfficeJet Pro 6978 review. The HP OfficeJet Pro 6978 is a widely used printer. There are many reasons for people to choose it. The product has a lot of things that catch the eye of every buyer. For this printer, starting from the body to the printing technology, this product has got everything of the top performers. Some of the critical points of this product are described elaborately below. Easily understandable and straight visualizing ability. This printer can detect the type of document that you will send through it. Other than that, it can automatically read the paper and see it very fast. It has an ink detector that shows you the remaining ink after every print. It supports printing on dual sides, and that is why it is also called a duplex printer. The scanning can be done from the printer touchscreen ability and wireless connectivity from any device. It also has a color touchscreen sensitivity that can help choose whether you want to print black and white or color print. Maximum paper support. When it comes to paper, then this printer has no boundary. It has a lot of options to set various supported paper formats for printing. It can support the general A4 size paper, letter paper, legal paper, for a paper, a panoramic paper with a dimension of 1030 cm, 1015 cm, and the plus tab of 1015 cm. This printer also supports reports containing dimensions of 5/7 in and for 6 in. Other than that, it also supports for 8.5 in and 13/18 cm. So it is seen that this printer primarily prints most of the paper sizes which are needed in day-to-day life. So there remains no doubt that this printer has a wide range of support for the paper. The solid structure. The HP OfficeJet Pro 6978 has a beautiful design. The body has a superb solid finish which also looks quite premium. Although HP has been building a solid body from the beginning, this printer has a great body compared to the other ones. The dimension of the product is 15.35 x 18.26 x 9 inches. It is a standard-sized printer which has everything in it. The weight of this printer is only 17.9 pounds, which are also standard as like another printer. Compared to some other printers, it may feel light in weight. It has a professional look, and it also suits excellent for home too. Drawbacks. In case of prolonged usage, there may be some cryptic error messages noticed in this printer. While scanning two-sided documents, there may be some errors for the ADF duplex function. The problem occurred by pulling out two pages at the same time. Sometimes it shows that it has run out of papers or even cartridges. So these problems are tough to get solved. Sometimes some issues are faced while scanning any document. Half of the scanned documents are visible, and half gets corrupted. These problems are fixed over time, and there are HP customer service people who can help restore the printer's issues.